Welcome to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for cutting-edge tech insights. Today, we're diving deep into groundbreaking confirmation that Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is using Micron RAM and storage, a major departure from its usual in-house components, which marks a significant shift in component strategy that could have far-reaching implications for performance, AI capabilities, and overall user experience. As you may know, Samsung's Galaxy S25 series is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite processor in all regions, delivering top-tier performance across the board. But what's truly remarkable is that instead of relying on its own subsidiary, Samsung Semiconductor, to supply the critical memory and storage components, Samsung has opted for Micron Technology's LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.0 storage, as confirmed by a post on X from Micron itself. And this decision is particularly intriguing because it underscores how even a giant like Samsung sometimes turns to rival companies to meet the high demands of its flagship devices. This revelation is a clear indication that the Galaxy S25 series, which is available on Amazon for around $799.99, is not only pushing the envelope in terms of processing power with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, but is also leveraging top-notch components from Micron to enhance AI performance, power efficiency, and data security, ensuring that users experience faster, smoother operations and robust performance under various conditions. It's interesting to note that Samsung has a vast network of subsidiaries that typically manufacture many of the components used in its mobile devices. So when we see a departure from this norm, it prompts us to question what challenges a company might be facing with its in-house production. Perhaps issues related to overheating, as rumors from January suggested, or other performance limitations. And in response, Samsung has turned to Micron to supply these crucial parts for the initial production volume of the Galaxy S25 series, a move that may signal that future production batches could potentially revert to using Samsung's own chips if those issues are resolved. According to the official post by Micron, the use of LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.0 storage not only provide a boost in speed and responsiveness, but also facilitates advanced AI capabilities, allowing the Galaxy S25 series to process data more efficiently and securely, which is critical in an era where user data protection is paramount. Further emphasizing the strategic shift, the official Samsung mobile account echoed Micron's announcement, expressing gratitude for the support that Micron's components have provided in making the Galaxy S25 series even more powerful. And this partnership highlights the dynamic nature of the tech industry, where even industry giants must sometimes collaborate with rivals to deliver the best possible products. Before this confirmation, multiple leaks had already hinted at the possibility that Samsung would not use its own memory chips in the Galaxy S25 devices due to overheating issues that affected performance in previous models. And these early reports created a buzz among tech enthusiasts who were eager to see how a change in component supplier might improve the overall efficiency and reliability of the device. Indeed, this is the first time that Samsung has turned to a rival for such a critical component in its flagship smartphones, setting a precedent that could influence the future production strategies of not only Samsung, but also other major players in the industry. The decision to use Micron's technology might also pave the way for even greater integration of advanced features in future devices, as the enhanced performance of LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.0 storage can significantly improve multitasking, gaming, and everyday operations, providing a smoother, more seamless experience for users. While some critics may view this as a departure from Samsung's traditional in-house manufacturing, others see it as a bold move that prioritizes performance and innovation over brand loyalty to its own components. In any case, the confirmation that the Galaxy S25 series uses Micron RAM and storage is a noteworthy development that reinforces Samsung's commitment to delivering top-notch performance, advanced AI capabilities, and enhanced power efficiency in its latest smartphones. As we look forward to further updates and the eventual launch of the Galaxy S25 series, it's clear that this strategic decision will play a pivotal role in shaping the future of Samsung's flagship devices. And it will be fascinating to see how this collaboration with Micron translates into real-world performance improvements and user satisfaction. Thank you for joining us on this detailed breakdown of the latest developments in the Galaxy S25 series. If you found this review insightful, please subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive tech news and reviews. This is TechVerse, signing off.